Hello dear partners, I'm pleased to welcome you today to the premises of Kratos Safety, where an additional 1,000 square meters storage area was implemented at the end of August, with a 300 square meters training area currently under development. Since March, we have faced great disruption as a result of the pandemic and its economic effects, including the cancellation of our twice-yearly Paris event, Expo Protection. In spite of this, the Kratos Safety team and our factory have continued to work on ongoing projects and prepare for the future with 2 new catalogs. New catalogs means new products that we will be happy to present to you. Welcome to the world of Kratos Safety Solution 2021-2022.
The EasySafeway anchorage device is a self-supporting davit with adjustable stabilizing feet, which can be easily transported and moved thanks to its integrated wheels. It can be used in 3 positions, from 1.66 meters to 2.28 meters, and the diameter of the base is adjustable from 1.10 meters to 1.50 meters. Maximum lifting load is 500 kilos and is compatible with our winches and retractable foreresters with retrieval system. The EasySafeway 2 anchorage device is a suspended anchorage davit with a standing arm for confined space, access or rescue. It's also suitable for configurations with limited height and space, as well as side access. It can be used in 3 positions. Maximum lifting load is 500 kilos. It's compatible with our winches or retractable foreresters with retrieval system. The Hexapod anchorage device is a transportable gantry used to access confined spaces with wide openings. It can be used for horizontal and vertical movements thanks to its mobile anchorage points. Maximum lifting load is 500 kilos. It's compatible with our winches and retractable foreresters with retrieval system. It can be used by 2 people at the same time. Quadpod is a transportable anchorage device with 4 independently adjustable feet. It has 5 anchorage points compliant with standard EN 795 and comes with 4 bracing straps. Its height is adjustable from 1.21 meters to 1.75 meters, and its footprint ranges from 2.30 meters to 3.20 meters. It can be used by 2 people at the same time.
In addition to Kratos Safety door anchorage bar, we have developed an accessory so that this bar can be used on roof windows. With its simple and robust design, it does not damage the receiving structure and can be installed in all types of opening. No specific tools are required for its installation. Crossloop is an anchorage point for gratings. It's light, easy to install and to use. It comes with 3 lengths of anchorage loop, 250, 500, 750 mm. The housing facilitates protection and visual identification of the anchorage from above. This anchorage point for Kratos Safety retractable foresters has 360 degrees rotation. It can be installed on flat surfaces and allows the forester to stay in line with the user, even when the user is in motion, for comfortable and safe use.
The following anchorage point is a temporary lifeline for containers with a maximum length of 40 meters. 2 meters of red rope at each end of the lifeline delineate hazardous areas and prevent access thereto. When used in combination with 2 Kratos Safety anchorage posts for containers, it's suitable for this low clearance situation. It can be used by 2 people at the same time. The following anchorage is a temporary lifeline of up to 45 meters, providing an innovative solution for one-off interventions. It's equipped with 2 crossover anchors so that users can pass one another without having to disconnect, and 2 automatic passage intermediate points limiting clearance. It has a tension indicator and a swivel to make installation easier. Coolline 1 is a retractable wire lifeline with a maximum length of 18 meters. It's equipped with a tension indicator and can be used by 2 people at the same time. It's compatible with our anchorage posts for metallic beams to create shifted anchorage to facilitate the apparatus movement on the beam. KS Line is a permanent horizontal wire lifeline compatible with many substrates such as concrete, wood, steel, waterproof decking, etc. We have created 2 complete kits, ready to install without any swaging machine. They come in a carrying case, FA60-200-00 kit for 5 to 15 meters lifeline installations, FA60-200-01 kit for 16 to 30 meters lifeline installations.
The range of Helixon retractable fall arresters is changing and expanding. We now offer a complete range for horizontal and vertical use up to 140 kilograms. The range is available in wire version from 3 meters 50 to 15 meters and webbing version from 3 meters 50 to 12 meters. Kronos is a retractable fall arrestor with constant winding speed. This technology helps protect the internal mechanism and the wire in case the user does not assist the winding. Recommended for sites where numerous operators successively use the same product, for example when loading, unloading. Triton is a 10-meter waterproof retractable fall arrestor. We have now added 20 meters and a 30 meters model to the range. It can be used in an ATEX zone. The 2 connectors and the wire are made of stainless steel. Ideal for use in offshore, industrial fishing, water treatment, and saline environments.
Tyrol, it's a fall arrestor with self-locking pulley operating in to and from mode. It's easy to install, to uninstall, and to maintain. It also allows a simple and quick evacuation. It's the ideal product for intensive use, either in leisure or professional situation. Laurel A is a sliding fall arrestor with removable energy absorber, operating on can-mounted rope. Its rope grab is made of aluminum for minimum weight. It's available in 10 and 20 meter lengths. Versatile, it can be used up to 140 kilograms as fall arrestor with its energy absorber. It can also be used as work positioning lanyard without its energy absorber. This Gravity S energy absorbing lanyard can be used up to 140 kilograms even when working near sharp edges. The rigid shell protects the absorber. The 3 connectors are made of aluminum for minimum weight and are equipped with a swivel. This work positioning lanyard is available in 2 lengths, 5 meters and 10 meters. It can also be used as a temporary anchorage point and as a temporary horizontal lifeline. It's easy to use thanks to its progressive adjustment system. This aluminum scaffold hook has an openable connection point, 60mm opening, and an ergonomic design. It's also available in a version with swivel and fall indicator.
These ergonomic speeder harnesses have 2 attachment points. They are equipped with elastic straps and fall indicators front and back. They are available with or without a belt. They are adjustable downwards, fitted with automatic buckles, and come in 2 sizes. The new version of this confined space harness has 2 attachment points and includes 1 evacuation D-ring on each shoulder. It is adjustable downwards, fitted with automatic buckles, and comes in 2 sizes. It is compatible with a belt, making it possible to wear the self-rescuer. Our water and oil repellent Revolta strap includes retro-reflective strips on the entire harness. The harness is equipped with 2 accessory holders, especially for hanging a gas detector. Finally, the spreader facilitates vertical evacuation. The Reflex 3 and 4 harnesses are equipped with 2 attachment points and high visibility straps with retro-reflective strips. The Reflex 4 model is equipped with a breathable fluorescent vest ideal for hot and humid environments. They are adjustable downwards and equipped with automatic buckles. Evalad 2 is an innovative, lightweight, and ready-to-use evacuation kit. It consists of a 6-meter textile ladder and a safety system that allows the victim to climb up with minimum effort with the help of a third party. It can be quickly deployed thanks to the system integrated into a backpack that opens from the bottom. If the victim is unable to climb up, this system allows them to be in a resting position while awaiting rescue.
KS1 is a free tool to manage your Kratos safety PPs. Scan the QR code on a product to quickly access many documents. User manual, inspection guide, declaration of conformity. You can also register and manage your Kratos safety products, allocate each product to a user or area of use, receive alerts reminding you of the impending periodic inspection, and much more. With KS1, managing or checking your equipment has never been easier. IBSafe is an innovative tool accessible on our website kratossafety.com or via dedicated QR code. It helps you calculate the required clearance and free distance under your work zone based on the preference of a Kratos Safety absorbing lanyard or retractable fall arrestor and a fall factor. Otherwise, if you already know the free distance under your work zone and your fall factor, IBSafe system offers you a selection of compatible Kratos safety products for your work situation. The result comparator makes it easier for you to choose.
Thank you very much for your attention and interest in our range of products and services. In particular in these new products, which should allow us to continue building our image as expert in protection against fall from a height. As we have done for nearly 10 years, we will continue to support you on a daily basis through our sales team, marketing material, product availability, training and equipment inspection services. We remain at your disposal for information or advice in order to select the best Kratos safety solution in relation to the needs expressed by your customers. See you soon. Take care of yourself, your loved ones, and your employees.